Every day and night, all alone in my room, thinking about the time when we were under the moon, talking about how we would never let each other go. But I guess the love we once had was all gone, knowing that we both went our own separate ways. But you're still the only person that brighten up my days, hoping and wishing that I can have you back, knowing that the kiss you gave me was my last. I know that I did a lot of things to hurt you, but dang baby boo, you know I didn't mean to. Every single day knowing I'm in pain, cause I know that it would never be the same, like how I used to have you in my arms. But knowing you have someone else's in your heart, nothing can change my love that I have for you, cause you know in your heart that you're my only boo. Feel like you're all alone in the night, remember that I'm the girl to be a shining light. I know that you needed time to get over the pain, but I will show you and prove to you that I really did change. You were the one who changed me to be better. You know that you are the one who I will love forever. I'm here waiting for you to forgive for what I did. I'm here waiting for you to come back and love me again. My love that I have for you is strong as iron. No one is in my heart, cause they don't really matter. What really matters is you here with me. Damn baby, how hard is it for you to see? I'm writing this song to tell you how much I love you. I hope one day you will see and realize it too. Hope you can forgive me and give me another chance, cause you are the one who I want to be with.